But did you know that in some cultures, belching at the table is a sign of respect and appreciation? Not just as an accepted cultural custom, but supported by solid medical theory in traditional Chinese medicine and Ayurveda. Belching is your body's way of saying, I've had an ample sufficiency. And it's taken as a compliment to the chef. In the West, we suppress this natural signal, even apologizing for it. But what if we're ignoring a very critical message from our bodies? Belching is your stomach's perfect way of saying, I'm full, no more please. Ignoring it leads to acid reflux, digestive stress, pain, and more. Join me on the exploration of ancient and modern practices. Follow for more holistic living on Radiesthesia Online.